trophy, cash, o kuan ganang round trip ticket to Bohol, Afghanistan, and Kuwait. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Basketball. For a midget division, second prize. We would like to thank, of course, Councilor Abay Ostia, of course, Sir Mihain Jaime Tuwada, thank you very much. Of course, the Honorable City Councilor Nova Princess Corojinong H. Chavez, grabe, complete, for also helping us out in our Purok Malinawan Basketball League. Of course, to our Purok Coordinator Douglas Quijano Nazareno. Douglas Quijano ang manager. We have Douglas Nazareno. And of course, ang nag-donate sa yuta nga ato ang gikalihukan karon, we have Dr. Emma de los Reyes and Mrs. Milievo. Salamat kaayo sa Dios. Pagatagaan ang tamong mga grasya. This is it, everyone, for a midget division. Second prize goes to the good boys. Okay, good boys. Ayan, ito nga. Yay! Player mo, Dong? Anong siya? Nagkamo dito na. Dugan portang. Pakpak sa good boys. Ayan. First prize, we have the Talisay team. Yehey! Yehey! Dito nga ang mga awardees unta, no? And Mr. Jaime Tumadan, Madam Nova, sa tunga tanan, ali. Tunga pa mo, kailangan picture. I-post mo sa YouTube ugma. Amo tanan. I-post mo sa YouTube ugma sa Usami City Scandal. Joke. Yan. Uy, watch mo sa Lunes. Katong Lifefield Products, Channel 6, Ronda Balita. Katong walay cable, dahil namoy MBNN Channel 13, klaro ang inyong MBNN. 8 o'clock on Monday. Ayan. Courtesy of Nonoy, Nonoy. Thank you, Nonoy, Nano. No? Na. Thank you. Kanina na si Nonoy. Kapit na mulugwa yung matag binos. Ano? O si Mapugapers. Thank you. And we will now proceed to the midget division. Oh, gila na mo. Ayaw maglakaw. Ayaw maglakaw. Lakaw kayo mo, Midget division, we have third prize. Goes to the snack team of Purok Malinawan. Snack. Now, sige ka snack, sige ka kaon. Okay, modeng na third, kay sige ka snack. Ali, dili parts, tunga parts. Ikaw na isa? O saan yun one man, isa ra kakuan, team? Daghan day, cute kaya si Kuya. Nanay ka si Kuya. Second prize for the midget division, we have the Dancing Dalan of Purok Makiangayon. Dancing Dalan. Okay, ikaw. Dancing Dalan. Nancy Kuya. Ito si Kuya. Ayaw, Kuya. Okay. First prize for midget division, we have the newborn of Purok Bagong Silang. Oh, Purok Bagong Silang. Midget mo, Dong? Dong, midget mo, Dong? May midget mo, Dong? Ha? Ikaw ang manager. Ayan. Okay. I-post mo ni Nonoy Nano. Nonoy Nunes. Okay. For junior and senior division, third prize, we have the Jurjer team of Purok Malinawan. Saan na uwi? Modi na third, sige ka Jurjer. Dili dapit lang, dili dapit. Dili dapit po. Titigil. Nagwapo lagi na naka-brown. Kasi cellphone number niya. Ay, wala siya yung cellphone, finish siya. Ako'y load, ikaw cellphone. Junior na sila, senior. Senior model na kasi. First prize for a junior and senior team goes to Simply Amazing Purok Makiangayon. Simply Amazing. Wala. Natulog. Katulgon. Aha, si Simply Amazing. Wala. Ay, mga tala na booth. Dala siyong balay. Wala yung taga-purok Makiangayon. Ay, ano ba din at anak na may dupo? Sige. Ano ba makansin? Mr. Akasho. Ayan, mga fans. Cellphone number? Cellphone? Ano ba, okay.
Ay, birthday mo, boy!
Anak na tita Tanido doon. Okay, everyone. Muna tanaw. Ayaw mo sa budget eh. Pakita ko. We puno way. Bye-bye. Atong pakpakan na atong winners. Atong sak. Itong Purok Malinawan Basketball League. Pakpak mga silingan. Mamumakpak. Ayan. Ha? Aha mo? Mausa mo? Mausa? Okay, everyone. Cue. Ladies and gentlemen, the last but not the least group number 7 for Dance Quiz Competition 2009. My name is Dinky Sueso and let's welcome the Dutch B-Boy group. Pak Pak mga silingan!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is my pleasure to introduce you all. Oh yeah!
Please stand up!
Silly, I'm at the door, but it's never been there.
People like this, my brother, same simple with the name.
Every time I come and I hit you niggas with shit regardless, you keep it tougher than the niggas ain't got the clue. Come in, shit go crazy, shit, make niggas do exactly what I want them to. Take a second, check it, I reckon my records are better than whatever record you recorded, that's why your shit is cool.
Talking that trash, we'll pull your car. Knowing nothing in life, but to be legit. Don't pull me, boy, cause I ain't said shit.
This is Big Bro, taking over the show with this new flow. You need to listen up to this. People quick, you ain't got me hit sounds. Them chicks, you pass the source, I came for the dough.